Okay, we're going to talk about hot glue, glue and glues, all these, and back camera up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to talk about hot glues, regular glues, and stick glues. So hot glues is the stickiest. It works the best. Okay, but you don't need to use it unless you get teacher permission, because a lot of the things we do, you're not going to need a hot glue. Okay, so if you're using hot glue, if you want to use hot glue, please ask the teacher first. If I say okay, make sure that you have the correct glue stick that goes into the glue that should fit nice and snug. Okay, it has to be sticking out for it to work. When you're done, make sure you go put these at sink number 2 to cool. Once they're cool, I will wrap them up and put them back where you found them. The reason we put them at sink number 2 is because we don't want to put them back hot and get someone either burnt or get glue everywhere. So that's why we stick them at sink number 2. Make sure they're setting up nice, and there's a spot that says this is where hot glue goes, and you will stick them right there. Next are these 2 glues. Okay, a lot of the times we're going to use glue sticks because they're easier to use and they're nice. Most of the ones that we have are purple, which is perfect, so that way you can see where you glued. So let's say I want to glue this piece of paper onto this. So you always put glue on the smallest piece of paper. So I'm going to put glue on the smallest piece, which is the white piece. And I only want to glue a part of it because I want it to stick out. So I'm going to put glue over it. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it will stay. It will dry clear, so you don't have to worry about the little bit of purple that's sticking out. Now let's say I want to do this piece. So this is the small piece. Put a little bit of glue on it, but I want to put it all over because that's where I'm going to put it. And then you stick it onto your piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, make sure that you don't have it very high. You lower it back down. So this is a brand new glue stick, so that's as low as it goes. We do not want it like this. If it's like this, all that glue is going to chip off when you use it, and then you're wasting glue. So we want it as low as you can, just a little lip. Okay, and then you press this, and you want to hear it snap. That way you know it's closed and it won't dry out. This other glue is for things that need a little bit more sticky. So this is stronger than this kind of glue, but it takes longer to dry. So it just depends on when you need it and what you need it for. Okay, if you need something to stick right away, you probably shouldn't use this glue. You should probably use this one. And if you have time to hold it and need it a little bit stronger, this is the glue that you need. But if you're going to use this, you don't need a whole lot. So a couple dots, 1, 2, 3. Stick that on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then this one I can actually still move a little bit because it's that liquid and it's not quite dry, so it does take longer than the stick glue, but it is stronger once it dries. You want to make sure when you're done, you turn the cap so that the top comes off or comes to the top, and that way you know it's dry, and you're going to stick that back where you found it. Okay, those are the safety videos for the glue. You need 10 points of evidence showing that you understood the videos and you understand what I was saying in the videos, and you know how to be safe with these products. Thanks.